Okay, so you're welcome back. This time around, we're going to talk about Photoshop, right? So Photoshop is one of the things that you need during CPA marketing, right? All these things you can do it for yourself. Does this make sense? Um, for example, you don't need to be performing specific tasks for you to know how you can figure these things out for yourself. So I'm just like bringing you through these steps bit by bit. So right now, for example, why you should need Photoshop? Because you need Photoshop because you want to make some banners for promotion, right? So you should definitely have Photoshop installed in on your computer. All right, just go to YouTube and search how you can download Photoshop and how you can use it, or go to Google and type in Photoshop, and you can get it out there. So, for example, you have Photoshop in your computer, you should go to new projects, and most commonly there are banners and it depends on the platform that you want to use to run your advertisement. You should have their specific width banner sizes. This one, for example, is on Traffic Junkie. You should need 305 by 99 to run on the mobile header. So when you have this, you should be able to run that specific ad on your mobile header. So with that, and let's try and see. I already have some banners created for myself. One way or the other, most of you that are going to be interested in this CPA stuff with me, I'm going to provide you with some tools that you should need during CPA marketing. Okay, so we can use this to create banners. All right, for example, just say um, best skin care product. So and yeah, you can go ahead and add your bottle right here, your skincare product right here, and then maybe here you can put something like 50% off to make it look more catchy, and you can just play around with stuff yourself. All right. So check this out. I think this look perfect. This looks awesome. So you can add your bottle right here, and then you should save it out for. Um, you should just save it for uploading. Okay. So this is why you should need Photoshop. It's not difficult, right? So you can use it this style to make things better for yourself rather than going to what is it called going to Fiverr looking for people that can design your Photoshop stuff for you. So thank you for now and bye. See you at the next video.